Welcome back to Speak My Mind Boring channel. What's up, One Nation family? Before me get into the video, me don't dwell upon that something here. Me did have even more to say, but me now bother say because majority rule and minority are fool. And if you have a business and the minority of the people having a problem and the majority is okay, what are you going to do? Who are you going to please? The minority or the majority? I want everybody answer me in the comment section. And as me come out, I come telling you every day, me's an investor, me's not a businessman. Me no want have 3, 4, 5 business. And 4 of them I carry down the one where I prosper. Me I go do away with the 4 and go back to the drawing board. Where they sent me I go have 5 business and only 1 I prosper. That means something wrong with the other 4. So me's an investor. So me have to move with the crowd. The minority, if you have a problem, me can't help it. Because me have to do what suit the channel. But why I come out here and I go say this before me start this video? I don't want to call out the name of the person who make the comment. But you see the comment where you make, I have talked about it also, but it has even make a broader statement. When you say, you know yourself, and you know who say you make the comment. Say, same like oh, them in a ears to watch the video, I see them so them skip the ads. See them so them have a problem with the intro, I see them so them skip the ads. And it's damn right. Cause if you can't wait to me done intro the video, promote whoever channel me I promote, cause I'm not selfish out here and I want to see other YouTuber prosper. And I want to see people business prosper. I am not making a dollar from promoting these people. You understand? And if you have a problem with that, plus me introing my video to make people know what is to come in the video, you understand? I don't have a problem with that. I see them way so, only just so boom and skip cross the ads. Me no need uno. Because as the person saying in the comment for true, same like only in a ego and in a ears for getting the mix up. I see me when the ads them pop up, on skip them because you don't want to hear the mix up. That not help the channel. That can't help the channel to move from where there. I want to continue laugh when it's stagnant and put even more emoji than what I put. That said, that done. I come on for that now. So speak mind people, who don't know what they do. It is so easy to watch them talk. Talk if them talking. And bark if them barking. But me not cause no commotion. No. Me not cause no commotion. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And please to run over TikTok and give me a follow over there, like the videos and share the content over there and share the platform over there to your friends and relatives. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Stuck on 916 over a week now. And can't move. It got 917 and I don't know what happened. Somebody must unsubscribe. And it's still there. I may have beg you to make sure you reach out 1,000 before the year done. We still have a lot of way to go. And there's a lot of when a subscriber can go subscribe and make sure you reach 1,000. I remember, you ask sorry to get it. The cash app is there. When you give me, I used to give back to the needy and not the greedy. $ charms and trends. And please remember, visit the site charmed_and_trends on Instagram and give this person a support. Please and thanks. They are very supportive. And it's a season of giving back gift, where you find that extra $ to buy your loved one a gift. Spend it with charms and trends. Anything you see on the platform over Instagram, you can get it customized to your liking. Make your loved one be a special person by giving them a special gift, not the regular gift that everybody ever buy. And you can go straight to the website charmsandtrend.shop, or you can go in the DM for further information. You get quick response time from customer service. Bless upon yourself. People, where the termite really a try? Termite was. You're going back on your words. You're contradicting yourself. You're saying things that you don't want people to say about you or think about you, but you want to say it and think about other people. The same thing that you don't want people to say and think about you when you come out here and say things. When other people come out here and say things, you have your own way of interpreting what people say. And you always try to interpret what people say to put it in a negative way. Why? But when you come out here and says anything, and we as bloggers come out here in defense of whatsoever or try to dissect what you're saying, you say we are trying to think for you and want to put words in your mouth and want to tell you what to say. And what you're saying is not that what you're trying to say, but we terms it our way. But at the same time, you want to do the same thing to other. How that work? People, there is a video that a post that Kris has made on Facebook. Make I find it first. I'm going to show you how this woman vicious, problem maker, problem seeker, troublemaker, everything that's negative. Alright. Kris has made this post on his platform. Right? And because she want to have strong hand to say, oh, I have nothing against Donna, I have nothing against Kris. I do post things at times to time, and time to time when they're posting, I repost it. You repost it just to use it as an asset to say, oh, you have nothing against them. But deep down, you know why you do it. As me say, she posts this, that Kris has posted on his platform, Donna K, and caption whatsoever, and she reposts it. Hours after, Kris was on his live, and speaking of Donna Cake arriving such time, X time, YZ, and he's saying like, okay, remember, please make your order via online, right? And he make it clear that simply make your orders online because he won't be taking up more than what the order is about. And he goes as far and said, because probably him not gonna make what happened last year happen when him have to cut prices and whatsoever. Before we get into that part there, Queen Wasp, social media termite, take to her platform because she and Tina are the same thing. You know, them like to write epistles. And look what Queen Wasp write on her platform. The same person who come out here and tell us that when she says something, we take it the wrong way. We twist it our way and turn it our way. Even in this video that I'm going to dissect, she has said that. Because Bam Bam come out and the same argument. Said she was on the live this morning, I think, when Kris were on live. And she not see Kris has thrown no shade at Donna. She's trying to say we as Plank are idiot. We don't know when people are throw shades. She go as far and say she know Kris not genuine. Yes, she go as far and say Kris not genuine to Donna. Kris is not one of them who is genuine to Donna. He's doing it for his own gains. It's so be the case that left to see what business you have with that. It is going good for over what, 4 years now or 3.5 years now. Unlike you. You understand? Listen what you write. This is it here. This is our page. Come, focus phone, right? Kris, if you are going to advertise the lady cake and asking for them to order online, well, we know, basically, Kris business like an online business most of the time. Very rare, they look a walk-in. Theme orders are mostly online. But anyway, that last part of your comment was not necessary. Kris, if you are going to advertise the lady cake and asking for them to order online, that last part of your comment was not necessary. Tell us why. Anyway, who know? No. You alone know. We don't know. You alone know. You want to interpret what the man has said. It's like you purposely want to determine the lady cake. Ha ha ha. No, sir. Uno plankers really need to open uno eyes. It's like you purposely want to undermine the lady cake. You see, you hear what she said? What lead you to think this? We are going to get into the video, but we can finish read the post. Ha! No, sir. Uno planka really need to open uno eyes and recognize when people is shading the ladies' product, other than when somebody is not. Poor uno. Shake my head. Tell me if I not try Queen was the termite of social media. I try offer the people them good friendship, the relationship with the people them have people. Uno tell me the honest truth. This is the same woman we are going in at this video where I go say when she make her post and say what she say, we out here turns it in our way. You understand? And twist it and turn it. But she know Kris said what him said. Not even I think probably as deep as how she think, because she says she's a deep thinker, you know. And because she's a deep thinker, she always think negative. Because deep thinkers always think negative. Because them always think for things to suit them. And it always end up being the negative way. God bless when sometime them right. Because they might write sometime, you know, but God bless. I will come out and do the same thing to what Kris has said on his live. You understand? So, we're going to get into the video. Because Bam Bam come out and Bam Bam say what she have to say. And because Bam Bam say what she have to say, she run out back on her platform trying to address Bam Bam. And at the same time, I saw me get to hear the whole story.
Bam Bam. Listen to me, Bam Bam. I told you many times, right? Don't follow some of these idiot bloggers that's out there.
Like me.
Everything that I
put
on social media, whether I wrote it on social media or whether I
well,
make
me and your shoes lace, you draw me out when you're ready. Will you draw me out now?
Don't be one of those idiot bloggers out there
like
that
me.
Totally,
the boring one.
Don't even understand what is it that I'm trying to say. You guys have to understand.
You're not trying to say nothing. You interpret what the man say.
I don't think shallow. I don't think just on the surface. I don't look at just the surface. I look at people's body language, I look at people's eye motions, and I listen to the words that they're saying, and I see the real meaning behind whatever they're saying. And once I see that and I feel...
What body language you can really detect from Kris? Kris is almost the same person when him dep on him live. When probably if him up in him feelings, you know how him look. If him just a talk ordinary, you know how him look. If him a rage, you know how him look. So, rage or up in him feelings would be none of the reason for you to read his body language here. Because basically, he would be just talking about the cakes reaching and stuff. And that would be the body language that he used naturally in doing things like that. So what body language could you have read that you misinterpret or want to interpret what Kris has said in the way you want to put it? What body language? More than this is what you are thinking. After Kris have said what he has said, you come to the conclusion to say this and use what Kris has said to put this out there in the atmosphere. That's exactly what you do.
Come out and speak about it, I'm gonna come out and speak about it. If none of you guys on social media can shut me up, tell me what to say, tell me what I can't say from what I could say. It don't regardless whether it's about the lady or not. It doesn't matter what. I have a right to my opinion on social media like everybody else. It's not only you guys alone that tends to think you have, you can come out and speak your opinion. You can say whatever you want. You can call anybody any kind of names. You can put up people in your, put people in your heading and all kind of, ridiculous disrespect. It's not you alone can do that. Anybody on social media can do that. So if you don't understand something that I write, if you don't understand something, that I post, a video or whatever, if you don't understand it, scroll past and keep it the hell moving. There's no need for you to come up.
Just the same as you. If someone has come out here on them platform and a live, just as Kris has done, say what he has said about Donna Cake arriving in England, and you don't understand what he's saying, but you go your own way to interpret what the man is saying, like you're in the man's head. You understand? There is no sign of what the man say. It's pointing to what you is interpreting, And we're going to get there just down more than the video. There is no sign of what the man has said to what you are interpreting what the man has said. You understand? No sign. But on the era, if you see she make a post or whatsoever you don't understand, scroll past it. But she now scroll past what people have said or post. She go ahead and make her own interpretation. And her own interpretation is always negative. The people them talk about you wanted peace in social media. You hear what you say? So you know that people are going to use against you. You calling peace, peace, peace. You said you're just calling peace within certain people. So basically, it's just between probably 4 persons you are calling peace when it's the whole social media is going at them one another. So if that 4 person in this diaspora even say, okay, peace, we are not friends, but we are mutual. We've done the foolishness. What about the other half? Or that you want that other half so you can feed off that other half? Because this set over here that you want to go one side, you're not benefiting from it, but you will more benefit from the other half. Is it that so? Because if you want peace, if a community is at war, you can't just want one street and the other lane to come at peace when the whole community are war. Not even if you figure more or less say this side of the street have a strong hold on the other side, and that side have a strong hold on that side. Yeah. You can't do that. You have to come together with the whole community and cry peace. Because remember now, if me even is the leader and me say peace, if you the peacemaker don't gather everybody and say watch out, this is what we want and this is what we are look for, and you want to call it amongst the leaders and expect the leaders to reach out to everybody out there. There's people out there where they even know the leader. There's people out there where the leader don't even know. But them just a fight for what them feel like is right. So it's unfair for you call everybody together and say peace. But you want to just call one set. But you only say this because you continue to cry peace and continue to set up pieces. As World Dog them drop one video and somebody post it or repost it about the negativity and this and what we are going. When last you drop something motivative on your platform, but you are saying that, oh, I will continue to post and say anything I want to post and anything I want to say. So you want people to suit you, but you not making the step to suit them or suit people in general or suit what the cause, what you want in general. Who you to?
And make a video about it. But if you choose to make a video about it, just know that I also have a choice to come back and respond to you. And you know I don't respond to everybody. But Bam Bam, I'm going to respond to you because it's several times now that you come out and you say the same damn thing like a broken record of saying, oh, maybe because I was rejected and I'm looking friend. Oh, lady, what you're saying don't make no sense. Oh, Queen B, I don't understand. You don't need to understand me. Long as I understand myself, that's all really matters to me. Anyone that has a brain, anyone who's a deep thinker, anyone that has some kind of sense about themselves, they are the only ones who's gonna understand anything that I put up, anything I post, or anything that I say. And it's not that many of you guys, and I'm
no. Anybody is hypocrite, serpent, and termite like you will understand, because they will have the same thinking as you. You understand? They would have the same thinking as you, because you and them is the same thing. So don't come out here, come go on like somebody have to be well intellectual to understand what you're saying. No. They are the same type of termite like you. Species like you, they will understand, because they are the same species. Simple as that.
okay with that. Because I realize when it comes to the Caribbean diaspora, a lot of y'all are lack understanding, and that's the honest to God truth. I've heard other bloggers, intelligent bloggers, I've said it several times. And I'm
We are not
always in my
intelligent. She
head
and
agree
our
with
friends
them,
are.
but I'm gonna publicly now say I agree with them. A lot of people in the Caribbean diaspora is a lack of understanding. Y'all could hear something, y'all could read something, y'all could, watch something, and y'all totally is blank. Like y'all get a whole total different message than what the person is really trying to say. And I'm not gonna go down that road
she
to really call y'all,
what she's saying,
some
with
derogatory
Bamba
names that
she's
comes
trying
with
to
lack
say,
of education
but
and
at the
lack
same
of
time,
sense.
she a think for another person.
But boy,
what they have said.
boy, I tell y'all,
Make it make sense, though.
y'all are just too much.
Make
but
it make
since y'all
sense.
want to know, all right, since I gotta break it down to y'all.
She make a statement. Bam Bam come out and I interpret the statement where she make. Because Bam Bam basically said she were on the live with Kris, when Kris on the live, and she have not seen any shade show. And based on what I have heard, me not see no shade show neither. She a go say, me them not go play Kris one, me a go make she say what Kris say. I want to tell me which part shade there. But she's reading Kris' mind and reading in between his brain what he's trying to say. But no Bam Bam I read between she and what she said. She have a problem with it. But no one must have problem with she reading and interpreting what Kris is trying to say. You saw them unfair.
The reason why I said the statement that Kris made was unnecessary, since I need to break it down to you guys, and since only the smart, intelligent ones is gonna really understand why I felt the way I did, or why I took it the way I did, right? Okay. So let me break it down to you. Let me not call you guys derogatory. I'm trying my best not to go there with some of you guys, but I'm telling y'all just do too much, right? Y'all act like y'all want to take. I'm not a planker, and I'm not trying to be a planker. Don't you understand what a planker is? A planker is a person that has no voice of their own. Okay? I already laid it out in a post that I did.
And you try so hard. You don't want to be a planker, but you try so hard.
Their own. They have to go and do what the majority say to do and say.
Not me, lie that.
Go back on my page and read all the list of what it means to be a planker. And when you read that,
and you know
list,
all of that
who
I
the
want to
hell
force
would
your
want
way
to
in
fight
so
to be a
bad.
part of
Damn.
it? I am a free thinker. I have to continue being a free thinker. I think that's one of the reasons why Back and Belly Rat have an issue with you guys, and why you guys have an issue with Back and Belly Rat, because she appears to be a free thinker. She appears to be somebody that you cannot program. You cannot.
As bad as thing being a Back and Belly Rat is probably far, far different from you, as bad as thing be. Because if she even step over the border or the boundary over there, so she's not all over social media like a termite like you. So I don't think you should use Back and Belly Rat to compare here, you know. Because if Back and Belly Rat is even having a mind of her own, nothing is wrong with that. But don't use her to compare with you. And that's the same reason why you not Back and Belly Rat, because she have a free mind just like me. Just like you, what? You have a corrupted mind. You have a dirty, filthy mind. You don't know your mind. You can select whatever mind you want to. But guess what? All of them is filthy. All of them is covered by the word filthy. Them dirty, them nasty. So you just use one word to cover all the selection of your mind that you want to choose at any given time as filthy.
She doesn't go with the masses. She does what she wants to do. She has her own opinion, her own mind, and she comes out and she says all the time in the comment sections, and you guys did not like that because she needs to be on the same exact uniform flow as all the plankers. You guys act like you don't have a mind of your goddamn own, and I have a mind of my own. I am a Taurus. I am
if
stubborn.
You have a mind
I
of
am
your
a free
own,
thinking
I
person.
do so much things negative in social
If
media
I'm
across
controlled,
this
it's because
diaspora
I choose to be in, to get
that
control.
unapprove when me
And
I
that's
said
not gonna
your
happen,
mind filthy.
right? So there's no way a person with me and my personality want to be of no goddamn planker. If I'm reaching out was to make peace with the lady, what that has to do with me trying to be a goddamn planker? And again, I'm going to tell you this. Stop talking about, oh, Queen Bee, you're coming out here asking for peace, but yet you pushing. No, I want peace among the group that I mentioned, and that's it. The rest of y'all could go to hell. Period. Peace that I speak about is among the group of people that I mentioned, because again, if they can come to peace, I feel that the whole internet can tone down a little bit and start to be a little bit more peaceful. So that way people like myself and other bloggers don't have to come out here to address negative things when they hear it, or people like myself and other bloggers don't have to come out here and give their opinion on the negativity or something that they see that they don't like, because we all will be more of a peaceful nature. But until it get to that, yes, Queen Bee is gonna buzz all over the place, and I'm gonna find what I find, and I'm gonna bring it to my page. And who don't like it, like I said, you could bite it, put it in your pipe, and goddamn light it, but you will not shut
This is
me
the woman
up.
that want
And bam,
peace,
bam,
you know.
I'm telling you, stop running out there
But
making
she has
video
said
on me.
nobody
Stop
can
being on
stop
one
her
of
from
these little
post
idiots
and
out
go
there
and look what she want to
that
post on
don't
her
fully
platform,
understand
which
nothing
is
that
all
I say and try to
negativity,
twist and turn everything
all
and
passa
stop
passa in
with this
every
stupid
different nook and
narrative
cranny and
about me
corner
being
of social
rejected, and
media.
that's why
She
I do
get
what
it,
I
she
do.
repost
Alright,
it.
so I'm gonna get back to explaining to you. Let me not do any derogatory names. Let me explain to you guys that don't understand where I'm coming from when I said when I made the comment about Kris. If Kris is gonna come out and he's gonna advertise her cake,
listen,
he's
she
letting
interpret
everybody
Kris
know
now what she
that,
don't want nobody do her.
starting tomorrow or whatever, they could start placing their their orders online, and whatever they order is what the lady's gonna bring up from Jamaica to fulfill those orders. Okay, that is fine.
Listen,
that was
keen
great.
people,
No
and be
problem with all
honest.
of that. But then why turn around and unnecessarily now you're gonna say, or he's gonna say, because I don't want any extras to be left over, because the last time when extras was left over, I had a hard time selling it to the point where I had to cut the price to get it sold. That part of information, or that little bit of information, was totally unnecessary. You cannot be promoting the cake and at the same time...
Alright, let's stick up in there. As I have said, I have seen nothing wrong with what Kris has said. And let her explain to you people who might be wondering or stopping to think if it is right, or who might want to say Queen Bee is right. Queen Bee make it clear, as a matter of fact, that she don't have Kris genuine. Kris is not genuine towards Donna. That's what she make it clear. She's going to say it in this video. And because of that, in the back of your head, the slightest thing Kris have said or is going to say, she is going to interpret it her way if it is not seems clear to her what he's saying. She's going to interpret it in a negative way. Kris have said this because last year, I think there was a scenario where there was some cakes that have not been sold and was there for a while. So Kris is coming out now to say, as we know, Kris mostly do his sales and online and stuff. Order your cakes online, because I am not even when before this Kris said when him there Jamaica, order on a cake, because me now go carry more than me if carry when me carry it, no buy it or no want it. You understand? So no order on a cake now, so me have the order and I will only carry the orders that I have. I won't be carrying any extras. So it's not the first Kris I've said that. But after what has happened last year, he's trying to tell these people, listen, order on a cake online, whatever on order, again, that is what I am going to carry. I'm not going to buy surplus. She run with it the way own here she run with it. Further down, I'm going to make this clear before she even reach that part. I will point it out why I make this statement. Remember now, we all know the vast amount of people that support Donna Marigo 99 Nyambad cake whatsoever is from United States of America. It's not if, not doubt, no guess, no spell about it. If you check our what you call it there, analytic, it will tell you that the vast amount of supporters, the percentage, is from United States of America. I doubt Britain even the second, because I more think Canada the second. I don't sure if Jamaica might the third or Britain the third. So remember now, it's not like in Britain she have this big fan base. And if so be the case, why would you want to carry up, say, 30 cakes, 50 cakes, when you know, say, probably it's just a fan base of 25. And if 25 people are there, you might run the risk and say, I'm going to carry 30. Why would you want to carry 60? Because when you carry 60 now, remember now, the fan base is 25 and you already add a little extra 5 to it. And say, alright, I pass by her, stop by her, one, and even the person who order one might sell me another one and you can't have it for sale. Why would you want to carry a vast amount expecting people to order when you know the fan base is not like America? And all that she use to make her pint, but she not look upon it that way. Yeah. Continue.
And you're putting like a negative spin to it by telling people unnecessary information by saying the last time when you had extras, you had a hard time selling it.
This is what she had thinking of. Because Kris said this, And what Kris has said, no point nowhere.
Products
like oh, she
don't need to end up having to cut the price.
It's just a reality the man I talk about. And this is it. People don't like reality.
Good products fly off of the shelf to the point where you don't have hands to sell.
Alright.
Great.
What I just said a while ago is pertaining to this now what she has said. Good products fly right off the shelf that they don't even have hands to sell it. Lie you tell. Good product will fly off the shelf when it in the diaspora or the zone that people know about the product and want the product. You understand what I say to you? Right now, why do me scroll through and I see, well, me must see quite the period TikTok there. I don't know if I Dubai him there, one of them place there. You know me see my hit? Scorpion and grasshopper. Ask him if he ever eat that in Jamaica. No. He has never ate that in Jamaica. Scorpion and grasshopper. But him going to next man country where it is popular, is a popular meal. And him eat it because him want to try it. But make me the cook it in a Jamaica or somebody cook it in a Jamaica or a restaurant cook it in a Jamaica. No! So what you are saying is crap here. Good product, but it is in England where the fan base of supporting 99 is not huge to support buying 100 or 200 cakes like oh in America it go off the shelf by breeze. So your point is weak. All this what you are talking about is what you have in your head. This is what you want to think, and this is what you want to bring out. But you are using the statement that Kris has made to bring it forward on your platform. You understand? And this is why we are ahead of Uno. Because Uno feel like Uno are ahead of us. Because as you say, it's only people with understanding will understand what Kris is want to say. So, and only people with understanding understand when you come out here and want to say what you want to say, and then you say we are trying to twist it. So what you are doing with Kris now? He has not said nothing what you say, you know. And you are interpret what him say. So what are you doing now? Is it you twisting, twining, or wrapping what Kris said? Come on. Be honest with yourself now and be realistic. Is it that you're doing the same thing now with Kris? Twisting and wrapping and turning what he has said? When you have said nothing pertaining to what you are saying or thinking or feeling that he want to say? Uno too. Tell us something like Uno alone a human being or Uno alone have sense.
Products that's highly in demand is not going to sit on your shelf for several more days or weeks to the point where no one is buying it, so therefore you're forced now to cut the price so they could come and buy it. That is the impression that he puts in people that's smart enough mind. And when you hear that, then you're going to say to yourself, God damn, if the cake is that hard to sell, then I don't think it's worth me spending my $50 and $60 and $80 or $90 to go get that cake. That is what it can do. You don't know who's listening to what he's saying because he has a wide audience, so you don't know how many customers by him making that last unnecessary statement. So if I come out and I say, Kris,
you never know, say Kris are your son now. Kris ton boy
was unnecessary, right? But with Kris, I never know what angle he's coming from because you guys already know that within myself and within my heart, I don't feel that Kris 100% is behind Donna. He's there for his own good, his own purpose, is to fulfill his own pocket, is to build his own business, is to sell his own cake, is to do all of that. That's the reason why he's keeping that connection with her, and I'm not going to ever change my mind on that. I see and I know and observe the real genuine ones around her. And Kris definitely is not one of them. And that is my opinion. And it ain't because I hate Kris. It ain't because I have no problem with Kris. Because as you can see,
I'm glad I will hear out of fear mouth how she think about him. So anything at all the man do, she have a problem with it.
I don't hate him, but it's not going to stop me from whenever I see F-free, I'm not going to come out and call it out. And I don't care who it is. Period. So you guys stop trying to shut me up because you cannot shut me up. How much time I'm going to tell you guys out there. You, Kris, does not control the internet. You don't control everything what everybody say. Even
so all you want to control what
Kris
say
saying, you
other
don't need
people
to come underneath their post trying to disrespect them because it's not going to change their mind and it's not going to stop me from speaking up. So why even bother to write it? Why even bother to say it? Just like I could say what...
So say for instance, what Kris say, when you a thing say Kris say, him say, when you come out, it can't change anything. Since nobody can change nothing the way you have said, whatever you want to interpret or whatever way you want to interpret what anybody say or what Kris has said here, I could flip the script. You can't change anything what Kris want to say? No. So why you come out come talk? Eh? Why you come out come post and why you come out come talk? But when you say what you say and people come out come talk, you hear your defense? It not going to change anything. So you are powerful enough to change what Kris said or what you are interpret that he has said, if that is how he's thinking and that is what he's trying to get across as what you are interpret. What power you have to change that? You don't have none. Just like how nobody have none to change where you are say or where you want to do. You don't have none neither. So just the same way people come out here come talk when you say anything. Like how you come out and interpret what Kris has said. Never know say you're an interpreter. I know that are none of your two jobs them you have, you know. To be an interpreter, you know. And you're not just interpreting language. You're interpreting the mindset of what people want to say. So you're even a more higher class interpreter, you know. Because he's not just he's not the interpreter that interpret the language when there's a language barrier. You understand? You're a mind interpreter. He's a termite. Boy, he's a mind interpreter. He's a termite.
Whatever I want to say, and you guys don't have to listen to it. You guys don't have to go by what I say. You can still have your own opinion regardless, but that don't mean to say it's going to change what I think because of what you wrote. No. I thought that was wrong. And don't come up here and try to dissect this video and talk about, oh, but many products go half price, or what you think Black Sale is for Friday, Black.
And you say the thing about she, you know, she preempt what you're going to say to counter what she say. And this is how you know people is the E word. Yes, man. EVIL, I saw you know people. Because you're going to talk, but at the same time, you're trying to preempt what people is going to say to counter you. So if something never wrong with what you are saying, or you yourself never see something wrong with what you are saying, how could you be preempting what someone else is going to say about what you say? Because you're preempt no. Oh, don't come tell me about it, because look at it, Black Friday and things and sell. Preempt, she a preempt what we out here are going to say, you know.
Sale or whatever it's for. Oh, so when people put their products on discounts or whatever, no, it's a difference. It's a difference because he came out and literally told the reason why he cut the price. He did not say, well, I cut the price because I wanted to, you know, put the cake on sale so everybody can able to afford and come and get it. And you know, it was selling so fast, and I wanted to do something great for my customers or great for her customers. So I decided to cut it in half, you know, as a good deed. No, he said I cut it in half because I had a hard time selling it. That's the key word. You were saying you had a hard time selling the cake is the reason why you had to cut the price. Is totally different from you putting something on sale out of either, you know, trying to run a little sale of your products, or you're trying to, you know, appease your customers by giving them a code where they could go in and get a little half price. That's different. But you literally came out and you said out of your mouth, Kris, I had to cut the price because no one was buying those extra cake. That is not something good that needs to be said when you're trying to promote somebody's product. It does not sound good. It does not is not the right thing to say in that same context of sentence. And if all you, I gotta use a word. If all you idiots,
use what you want to use. Use the D word. I never idiot you gonna use. And the D word they did gonna use. Duck. And the D word they did gonna use. Use it.
Sometimes the ignorance of you guys is really surprising and really shocking to me. How you guys have no sense of understanding.
You alone.
You know, Bam Bam, you're gonna talk about, oh, I listened to the
you
video and I didn't
alone
see
have
anything
sense.
wrong with what.
You're a mischief maker. You
Try
at the people in relationship with them.
And I'm not saying you're stupid. I'm just saying
we never know say it will go so good after how hard you try you your friend Tina.
I don't think
to
shallow.
Set up Kris against Donna in the first initiative.
Blind my eyes to everything that these people do. I see what they do because I'm not in
so
love
surprised.
Like that. So I could clearly and
this is
more
never
see
want
and
to plan
hear what
for.
they're doing and saying.
This is never one to want to see.
So I am saying again,
so
and I'm
still
not
try.
backing down, that part of that information was unnecessary to add into what he was saying about people ordering their cakes online. And you guys gonna make a million excuses for him, but I'm telling you that was unnecessary for Kris to have said, I had to cut the price of the cake because.
And if so be the case, can you change the price of rice? Just like how people can't change the price of the insect spray to spray you termites in social media, can you change the price of rice of what Kris have said if I even saw him say? So why you come out here come and talk? Just like when you don't want nobody talk about you, car we can't change the price of the termite spray that you have used. You know, just make Kris once blow past you too. Just like when you want people to just scroll past your one. Why you never scroll past Kris one? No. Because you know if you come out here come say something. Remember now, you know, the two biggest support base over here so in the diaspora is the Royals and the Planka. And if you are going to say something about the Royals pertaining to the Planka, you're going to get the two biggest fan base to give you some attention. Because the Plankas is going to come out, the Royals is going to come out. It's a psychology thing you're using. But you know what the good thing about it? You using your psychology. But it's just not working. Because you're not getting anywhere. That is it, you know. That is it. And a ship, boat, nor yacht is it. That is it. You're using your psychology. You're doing all these things for us to come out here and talk. You know that for the past probably 7 videos I have done, you have involved in it. And this is why probably some of the people them were chat out them more about me and lose views. Come out and say me I lose views. Because what? No price not depend on your name. No price is on your name. Nobody want to view a video with you involved. And the last 7, make I just check something. Make I check something with the people. Okay, I should say the last 6. This is making 7. The last 7 videos I've done, including this one, 5 of them involve you. Whether you are the topic or you say me say, 5 of them involve you. And check those videos. But me no matter. All them I talk about views, me no matter. You understand what I say to you? You know why me no matter? My people them who fully support me despite not wanting to hear your voice or hear what you are saying or what me are saying about you, we just take up the phone. Oh, speak my mind, post a video. Bang. Me don't want to hear about this. And then put on the phone. Remember now, YouTube now have no spectacular look at them and watch the video. Technology. From the video I run, it selects say it's running. So the video view. The ads watch, them now look at them, they saw watch the ads. If you know if Kentucky advertise a special, if you know if Burger King advertise a special and them see it if you come buy it, it advertise and them no see it. YouTube now while you run something watch your phone. So at the end of the day what happen? The video get 1,000 views. The video get 1,500 views because of who me I talk about. But also ever support the video, watch the ads them, 5, 6, 7 ads them, watch them. Supporters of the channel. And what better for me than me get a views of 10,000 and don't get the support even 50% like when me get the 1 or the 1,500 views. Me's a investor, me's not a businessman, and just use the terms because me I try to say, as me say, me now have 5 business and 4 now prosper and I carry down that 1 year. Me I lock off the 4 year because somewhere down the line, the 4 year I gonna lock off the 1 year and everything I gonna lock down. And me turn cruff. Where?
The cake was not selling. Even if that's the truth, that did not need to come out into the public like that. Because again,
Where
you
you're
don't
concerned.
know who's listening and was about to order, and maybe they decide not to order now. Because if the cake was that great, you wouldn't have a hard time selling it. It would be something that would be flying off the shelf.
Alright, so you're saying that the taste bud of the British people is way superior to the rest of the world. The taste bud of the British people is way superior to the US market, where she have our big support base that have the cakes flying out of flanker shop. Like an eagle we soaring to the sky. Watch Donna Marie going up with a pan full of nyam bad cake. And that you try to tell me? Say if the man carry few, remember you know. Overall, you know, in general, you know, them say the English people them is very funny in certain things. And as I said, the woman fan base is not a high number in England. Not saying people over there don't support her, because me no supporters over there will love her to the ground. Love her to the ground. Me no supporter over there. But I'm saying her fan base is not as large. So what you want, or what did you expect? 50% then of what is going to United States of America in different space in America should be going to Britain? That's what you're saying? For what purpose? It now go dash way because there is no funds there to support in buying it like that. The demand is not high like that because of the fan base. So you have to suit the number of fan base of people you have in the fan base. Why am I going to be foolish to know that me have 200 somebody support me and me going to send 200,000? Me a idiot? Hey woman, come on from my phone here, man. Sure.
I said what I said, and I'm not backing down. So you guys could go ahead and name up on yourself as usual. Go and tear my video apart. Try to find all kind of negative things about it.
When
and
you
try
do
to
your
excuse all of that away. Because
you know
that
what
is what
happen,
you
that's
guys
why you come
do
out
to
and pray and
manipulate
people
the
are going to
mind
say.
of your audience to think differently than what the
Whenever
message
you
is
come out
in
here
the
and do your
actual original video.
you
But
know what
knock
people are going to say, so you
yourselves
pray
out,
and
because
where?
it's still not going to change my point
You're a
of view
social
or
media
my
termite, but you
opinion
have two
or
jobs.
what my original
You want
video
two
stands
more.
for. All right?
And now when you get two
Anyway,
more,
guys, you have a
are the
wonderful
same thing
day,
you're going to go
evening,
on with on
afternoon.
social media. Same thing. Because it's not just yesterday or today. I have got evidence that is as far back as 2013. And more evidence good out there say a way back. Vices for change has put evidence out here that you're out here creating animosity based on your style of carrying back here, carrying there, and carrying back here. A long time your name are called here, there, and everywhere from 2013. That is 11 years going 12 years. So people know who you are and all know you can't hold a spot, a steady spot in social media. Somebody who want to see change and want to see positivity, want to see peace, check them page. What sacrifice are you making to see that change? What steps are you taking to see that change? None whatsoever. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Wanna know what to do? It is so easy. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And please to go over TikTok and support the channel over there, Life is a Mission TV. Social commentary, public affairs, whole heap of things I'll talk over there. You understand? Even domestic affairs. Go follow me over TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Please to give her a subscription. She's stuck at 916 from last week. Just have a kind heart and just hit the link in the comment section. And when the link, this channel come up, just hit the writing with that mark subscribe and give her a subscription. It now costs you $1. And in the comment section, the cash app is there. You ask her to get it, if you want to contribute to that little food drive, small food bag drive, not a charity, it will go on whether or not I will make that sacrifice, because when I put my mind to do something, it's only probably Father God can stop it, because I'm not going to put my mind in doing it without having a way of doing it. But as I said, if you come on board, send a $5 or $10 to contribute to it, I might can buy an extra pound of flour. If me plan to give £1, me can give £2. You don't have to send anything, but you ask for the cash app, so you get it. $, Charms and Trends. Or if you don't have a cash app or a Zelle, you can reach me at 876-221-9789, and we'll take it from there. It's not a charity. You don't bound to send anything, but you always ask the cash app or something to give me. When you give me, take the gift to the needy. And I want to give away at least 12 or 10 small food bags for the Christmas. And I want to do it by the 20th to the 21st, 22nd. I don't want to do it the 24th. None of these people don't sure about a dinner Christmas Day. And if I even look for like a baked bean and saltfish, butter bean and saltfish, what not tin and mackerel, at least them have something to eat, to look at rice or flour. Yes, because I'm not going to buy them any perishable goods. I'm going to buy them non-perishable goods. None of these people don't have light. Some of them don't have fridge, I should even say. And next thing you can buy them one chicken value, one chicken weigh 3-4 pound. When them ready, the leg where them gonna get off of that chicken, they even weigh 1/4 pound. Because of Christmas and enough of the people who waste out them days and strong and hearty. You understand? Never make the preparation, so easy come, easy go. Them not consider himself a female. So I try to buy non-perishable goods. Alright? So go into the comment section and you see the cash app. And please remember, go on Instagram and support Charms and Trends. Very nice people. Charmed_and_trends on Instagram. Drop into the DM for further information. Anything you see on the website, you get it customized. Make your loved one feel special. Don't give them an ordinary gift. Give them something that they can look on and cherish. Whether them picture, them name, or something. Then just give them a regular gift. And what better place to start but Charms and Trend. You can go straight to the website. charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Peace out. Termite. We're going to run a marathon. So we must get a pest control to clean out social media, to get rid of all termite. I'm out.